You are asking if there is insulation in Japanese house. It looks like a joke. No. Before, nothing under the flooring. So the insulation is more with the tatami. So under the flooring, nothing. Just the airflow would dry the boards, and over that it's insulated. We can say with tatami, with all but nothing anyway. For this part we made some improvement, I guess. It's about the tension for the moisture sheet. It's better tension from here and all the places. So we use some blocks to make more tension, and it's really different because the amount of Momigala, it's 1/3 less than before. So it's going really better, and it's just the right thickness, not too much as before. Little by little we find a new way, because here the problem is about this place. There is the tsuka, the pole who maintain the beam. We had to pass over, so it doesn't make so much tension around here. It's fine, but we can improve by using something like here. In fact, what I did here is to cut the pole, the tsuka, 10 centimeters. So this part is over the sheet, and the second part is under the sheet. So next time we can make it flat all along. So next time, maybe the last meter will be the best. Yeah, about the flooring, be careful. Can go here. To take back the floor, it was not that bad. Just the flooring, it's quite bad on some places, but for the moment it's fine, because I choose to screw every board to make it possible to change, and if I want to pass the cable, I can pass under the flooring. So, and for the maintenance, check the Momigala, I want to be able to take it out all the time, anytime, not as before with the nails. It's very difficult to take off the boards, especially now they are old and a bit weak. So when I took off the nails the first time, a lot of parts broke like that. So the flooring, it's not that good. But I think after washing it, we will use a stain to make it black. It will make a good looking, so I will use more black, so it will cover every stain we can see around here and make it beautiful again, I think. Here it's maybe we plan to do a cafe. Donc the cafe place is around here and going also to that way. So here will be the cafe here also. I want to move this rail here. So the post will make a limit between the cafe place and maybe a guest room here. So here we will take back the tatami, will be some more insulation. And one room here to the post, and the second room from that post also. So here I will make a wall with straws also to separate the two rooms, and the straw is also a good sound proof insulation, so it will be useful to do like that. Very important to set the beam every 60 centimeters between. And here I don't know what happened, but when I set this one, it's not straight in the middle of this one and this one, maybe 40 centimeters here and maybe 50 here and maybe 80. So little by little we discovered the beam was not in the middle of the flooring. So we did the same method as they did before, is to add a piece of wood on the side to maintain the edge of the flooring.
I haven't been able to get back up to Miyasa to see Francois in the last couple of weeks since before Christmas, because we've had record snowfall throughout Japan and the snowfall in this area has been exceptionally heavy. I'm hoping to get back up there later this week to see how Francois is doing and to see how work has progressed despite all the snow. And we'll have the opportunity to meet the newest member of Francois' family. So tune in next week and see who that is.